morning everyone. Welcome to science class. In this class, we are starting a new lesson. What is the name of the lesson? We need water. Why do we need water? All living things need water. Why do we need water? We have so many works with water. First of all, we need water for drinking. That is the main use. Without water, we cannot live, no? So, water is used for drinking. And next, we have so many uses. Daily with water, we do so many works. We'll cook our food, we wash our vegetables, and we wash our clothes, we wash our vessels, and mother will clean the house with water. So many things. All the things depend on the water only. All living things depend on water. We need water for living mainly. Like us only, all other living things also need water. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. And plants need water for growing. Yes, they grow. Without water, plants cannot grow, no? So, plants need water for growing and living. Like that, we have so many uses. Look here. All living things and human beings need water. For what purposes we need water? For drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning. Okay? For all these purposes, we need water. Why do animals need water? Animals need water for drinking and bathing, cleaning themselves. Okay? Plants, why do plants need water? Plants also need water to live and for growing. Okay? Now we'll read the lesson. We need water. All living things need water to live. Human beings, plants and animals need water to live. We need water for many purposes. We need water for drinking. We need water for bathing. We need water for cooking. We need water for washing our clothes. We need water for washing the dishes. We need water for cleaning our home. We need water for cleaning fruits and vegetables. We need water to put out fires. Plants need water to live. Take 2 potted plants, water 1 pot every day. Do not water the other pot. The plant in the first pot grows well. The plant in the other pot dries up and dies. Plants need water to live. Animals need water to live. They need water for drinking and bathing. So you have seen the experiment, no? What they have said? Take 2 pots with 2 plants in each pot. Daily water 1 pot and do not water 1 pot. What happens to both plants? The plant that we water daily grows up. The pot we are not watering it dies. The plant dies. So that what we can say? Plants also need water. Understood? Now read the spellings. Living things. Living. Living. Things. Things. Living things. Human beings. Human. Human. Beings. Human beings. Purpose. 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 Drinking. 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 Bathing. 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 Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. Cleaning. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G. Cleaning. Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Fire. F-I-R-E. Fire. Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. These are the new words from this lesson. Write these words neatly. Read the lesson first. Okay? Thank you. Welcome to Maths class. In this class we are doing addition. In addition we have commutative property. What is commutative property? Anyway, if we do the addition, the answer will be same. For example, add 2 plus 5. 2 in the mind, open 5 fingers. Okay, 2 in the mind, open 5 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Now, 5 plus 2 you do. 5 in the mind, open 2 fingers. After 5, 6, 7. Answer is same. Answer is 7. If we do any way, the answer will be same. Now we'll check here with big numbers. Okay? Look at the board. 16 plus 23 given. First we have written 16. 1, 6, 16 plus 2, 3, 23. You need to know how to arrange numbers also. 1, 6 means you have to write 1's place, 10's place. You have to arrange according to their places. Plus 16 plus 23. From where we have to do addition? From 1's place. 6 in the mind, open 3 fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 in the mind, open 2 fingers. After 1, 2, 3. Answer is 39. Next, 3 in the mind, open 6 fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 in the mind, open 1 finger. After 2, 3. What is the answer? 3, 9, 39. Here what is the answer? 3, 9, 39. If we do 16 plus 23 or 23 plus 16, the answer is same. This is called commutative property of addition. You have some fill in the blanks. We'll do it now. Now look here, we have some blanks. Look at this first one. 70 plus dash is equal to 25 plus 70. So what we have learned in commutative property? Anyway, if we do the multiplication, answer will be same. So 70 plus, here blank is there. Here total numbers are given. 25 plus 70. 70 is there. Which number is missing here? 25 is missing. So we can fill the blank with 2, 5, 25. Next one. 62 plus dash is equal to 31 plus dash. Here 62 is given. So which number is missing? 31 is missing. So write down 3, 1, 31. Now here 31 is there. Which number is missing? 6 to 62. So write 6 to 62 here. Next one. Dash plus 30 is equal to dash plus 25. 30 is there. Which number is missing? 2, 5, 25. Write down 2, 5, 25. Next here which number is missing? 3, 0, 30. Okay. Next one. 21 plus 17 is equal to 17 plus. Which number is missing? See, 17 is there. So what we have to write? 2, 1, 21. Okay, got it? We have all the sums like that only. So many fill in the blanks are there in your textbook. Try it and do it yourself. Okay?
Hello everyone, welcome to Telugu class. ఈరోజు క్లాస్ లో ఐత్వము చూడండి. ఐత్వము గురించి కొన్ని పదాలు నేర్చుకుందాం. లుక్ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్. సాకి ఐత్వం. సైకిలు సైకిలు. రాకి ఐత్వం. రైతు రైతు. బాకి ఐత్వం. బైబిలు బైబిలు. దైవం దైవం. పైకము పైకము. చూడండి, పై వై దై అన్నప్పుడు ఏ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది మీకు? ఐత్వం వస్తుందా? ఐ అనే సౌండ్ వస్తుందా? ఓకే. హైనా హైనా. నైజము నైజము. రైలు రైలు. సైతము సైతము. మైనము మైనము. Once repeat children, say loudly. సైకిలు, రైతు, బైబిలు, దైవం, పైకము, హైనా, నైజము, రైలు, సైతము, మైనము. Okay children, write neatly in your notebook. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. Today you are going to learn another new meanings. I have given you 12 meanings in E Matra Akshar. Okay? Let us revise that. Look here, Hiran. First one, Hiran. Hiran means deer. So you have to write in English. Okay? D-E-E-R-D. Next one, Kavita. Kavita means poem. Poem spelling. What is the spelling of poem? P-O-E-M. Poem. Okay? Now next one, Chidiya. Chidiya means bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Next, Viman. Viman means aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Okay? Now next one, Kitab. Kitab means get book. B-O-O-K. Book. Now next, Gilas. Gilas means glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. Okay? Now next one, Machli. Machli means fish. Right here. F-I-S-H. Fish. Next one, Pani. Pani means water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. For gel also we can say water. Pani means pani also water. Okay? Bakri. Next one, Bakri. Bakri means goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Next one, Diwar. Diwar means wall. W-A-L-L. Wall. Next, Rani. Rani means queen. So write here queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Okay. Now next one, Pita. Pita means father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Once repeat. Hiran, deer, D-E-E-R. Deer. Kavita, poem. P-O-E-M. Poem. Chidiya, bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Viman, aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Kitab, book. B-O-O-K. Book. Gilas, glass. G-L-A-S-S.
S. Glass. Machli. Fish. 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 Pani. Water. 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 Bakri. Goat. 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 Diwar. Wall. 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 Rani. Queen. 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 Pita. Father. 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 Okay? You write in your notebook these 12 meanings. Okay, write neatly. Thank you.